Hi, I'm Roger. I'm the product manager of Haz360 with iRisk. We are environmental safety consulting, risk management consulting company headquartered in Hong Kong. I have been in the IT field for the last 35 plus years, and I joined iRisk in 2018. My goal that time was to develop an application to integrate the various HSE studies into a single platform. It took us some time to understand and develop the entirety of the various procedures followed by different EPC companies and the owners. During 2019, before even the COVID started, we had launched our server-based, multi-user, multi-company, multi-assets, multi-projects. People can do their work simultaneously, concurrently from anywhere, anytime to record HAZOP, SIL, LOPA, or any other kinds of worksheet without any developer involving into the software development job. So we designed what we call the software as a service with low code development to configure your worksheets and procedures and formulas easily, so that any business user, professional users like yourself, can do the procedures easily and also do some integration, analysis, bow tie, SIL verification, and management of changes workflow. That's where we are with Haz360. I hope you will enjoy and try visiting our website and experience for yourself. Have a good day. Thank you.